scrap over here. Those little sticks that look like they have balloons on top of them, those are money if you go collect those.
That's the boss thing.
I mean, I'm good for whenever on whatever, for real. Whatever you guys want.
There's one crate there I think I might get, and then I'm good.
Try to store over here, but it's got dog shit.
Alright, I'm good when you guys are.
Yeah, let's do boss. Got a lot on this level already cleared, to be honest.
Yep.
Might not even stick here for very long and maybe just dip. I don't know. Up to you guys, what you guys got, but it doesn't look like there's a crazy amount. I know where one thing is that's pretty close that I can probably get after.
Yeah, I have 2 things over here that I can grab depending on how this
I got bleed sacks on this guy.
See what we got. The band, this is good.
That's actually poggers for all of us.
Yeah, and if we all have it, yeah, huge.
There's a band for somebody.
You're fine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we looted the majority of it, so might as well just dip.
I got one that I'm gonna go for, and I'll be
Same.
fast because I'm really, really quick. So
Right
I know
next to
exactly
you.
where it is. Yeah. You get that one close, I'll get the one that I'm going for, and we dip. Yeah.
Yeah, and then someone else can get, there's a triple store as well down here. It's got dog shit in it though.
Oh yeah. I'll grab it then, I guess. Whatever.
Yeah, there's a
What do you got, Judd? Are you doing good or what?
Yeah, I'm alright.
We are
I
at
keep
what?
pressing R on this guy to reload, dude.
What percentage are we at right now for this thing?
87,
90?
89, 90.
Okay. I'm going.
All right.
I'm picking mine up right now. You can go whenever for me.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, shooting it.
Shit.
That was good pace. Under 12
Yeah, that was
minutes,
pretty
a little bit.
fast. We got a lot of the stuff. Not bad. Yeah, there's a mag here for double right clicks. It's not bad for a recycler, to be honest, dude. If I find anything, I'm gonna hit this blood thing right off the bat here.
Yeah, if you got stuff to spawn, like the blood things, but yeah, if you see stuff to spawn enemies too, we can get
Oh, yeah,
quick
for
money
sure.
that way too.
Oh yeah, there's a penis over here. I'm spawning it.
Like it.
Oh shit.
Oh god, yeah.
Okay, see you later, boys.
Oh, dude, get out of there, bro. I'm
Look
shooting
at
at
that
him.
damage. Oh, holy shit.
Oh, man, you're smoking that guy. Woo, buddy. Health thing here for a recycler, not the greatest. Yeah, I found a little recycler or whatever they are to get rid of your shit.
I'm dead.
Let's get rid of that.
I'm dead.
Oh,
Don't do that, Judd.
yeah, the whole dying thing. This is a game that's like it's like a lot better, you know, when you don't die.
It's crazy, dude.
Yeah, just
Yeah, it's
like,
fighting some like
feels
weird
better.
lunar things, dude. They attach like bombs to me.
Yeah, I've been destroyed by them a few times actually. We should do this a little quick then. So actually, I got the other thing to make the boss extra hard. So I can grab that and then we can dip. Or
Wait, you guys want to dip already?
yeah, Judd's dead. I mean, we don't want him
Oh,
to.
Judd died. Oh shit. Yeah, we gotta fight this boss to get going. Man. All right, let's do it. I'm just gonna buy everything I fucking can. I know.
Alright, so this might be hard for me. I don't know if it's gonna spawn mobs or what, but yo, dude. Oh, never mind. It was a cash one. I'm a stupid fuck.
We're getting smoked by these stingrays, bro. Flying stingrays, dog.
Yeah, they're nuts.
Yeah, they start smoking you kind of out of nowhere.
Yeah,
I don't even notice it.
They're pretty accurate, and like they just have swarms, bro. And any of these purple enemies, dude, we just gotta take them out. Straight
It's
up.
the purple ones
They
that's
are-
killed me. I was fighting them
Yeah.
solo.
They're very strong.
There's a crowbar on me if you want it, mate.
Oh, I'm coming, yeah.
There's not much left here, huh? I'm down to shit. Anybody found the boss yet?
Yeah, it's on the opposite side where you spawn.
Oh yeah, it's over here on me.
What the fuck is that crowbar? Oh, see it?
Where all that
We
purple
missed
shit
one of the
is.
shrines for the extra deeps though.
Oh, do we?
I don't know if we care though. Oh, the extra loot, I mean.
Alright. What the fuck's the boss, dude?
Look for them sparkles.
I'm gonna get this mag, dude. I'm doing it.
Yeah, go for it.
Before I'm going to the boss right now. Bruh! You guys are fucking me up.
Alright, this was a good run.
Guys,
for me.
I got some serious mobs on me. Holy shit.
Alright, let me see where you're at. It's the upgraded versions of the stingrays. You gotta target those first. They're crazy.
Yeah. I had a guy on the floor just kind of smashing me too, though.
I can pull the boss whenever.
I'm
Yeah,
good.
good whenever.
Alright, pull now.
Can I pull that? Oh! Oh no, I don't want to do that. That shoots my money.
Back that motherfucker. Hell yeah.
That fucking hurt a little bit.
I got a heap of mobs on me, dude.
I think that guy should die. Grabbing the things here. Who's
the
gonna grab
wisp.
Judd's?
Ooh, we got a wisp.
Fuck, dog. Those things kill, dude.
It's a non-kill effect, so honestly,
Yeah, so
anyone just grab it.
with our bands and that together, it's gonna be disgusting. Yeah, someone grab it, dude. I don't give a shit. I'm buzzed.
I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, someone's got. You're lucky, bro.
I'm lucky, man.
Run into that
You guys
bitch.
are talking about it too much,
He's
dude.
been ruthless lately.
I was about to steal it, dude.
My damage is about to be insane, though, bro. No stress. I got us covered.
Yeah, just let me get, like, when we pull the boss, we're gonna get to
I
a
need
point
attack
where
speed, dude.
If I get the first shot on the boss, I can one-shot the boss sometimes. Like, once I get a couple more
Oh,
crowbars,
really? Okay.
it's disgusting.
You get something like when he's over fucking 90% health or something? Oh my
Exactly.
god, we just melted that guy. Dude, I have fucking 3,600, bro. This is, painful to have to leave.
Just run around the map now if you want. Well, us two stay in the circle. I got like 2k, so I'll spin a fair bit.
I really don't know if there's a lot, to be honest with you.
Alright, you want me to hit it, or?
I'm looking just real quick in this corner. I think if there's nothing over here, we dip. Yeah, I got stuff. I have like 3 things here. Hold on.
Yep,
There's shit
It's
behind the
actually
rocks
pretty
down there
huge.
too.
It's actually huge. Oh, that's huge,
I'm gonna
dude.
check up here real quick.
Pennies?
That's huge,
Okay.
got a hoof,
Okay,
dude.
okay.
That's huge.
The goat hoof is good.
I'm good when you guys are, I think. I don't think there's
Yeah,
much
just
else
go for it. I
up
don't
here.
give a shit.
Yeah, let's dip.
Oh,
What does this card do? What's that do?
Okay, so you know how like there's stores that have 3 items and it closes the whole store down? With the card, you can buy all 3. Like, it doesn't close the store. Same thing with the little shipments,
Oh.
like the crash land things that are on the ground. You can take
Mr.
both
Diabetes
items instead
committed
of
to
it
tier 1
locking
for
up.
3 months. Thank you for that.
Wait, what? I don't understand.
So like the little stands that have 3 items, you know?
Yeah?
Like,
I'm
remember-
looking at one.
So
Like,
like
you
when
get
you
2 of them?
buy something,
No, you get all of them.
you can buy everything if you have the money. It keeps the store open.
What?
You can literally buy all
Okay.
3 items.
That's insane.
Yes, exactly. You could use that to like benefit everybody in the group too.
I just died.
Oh,
Oh,
we gotta go fast.
that's not good.
We gotta go fast.
I should maybe stay with somebody, dude.
I don't think we're that weak.
I don't know. I gotta like sort of get close to do damage, and I don't know why I keep doing it to myself. To be honest.
It's all good. Just like you said, we get close.
Keep up the great work, man. You're a real underappreciated streamer, man.
Yo, Black Hat Raven with 100 bangers, dude.
Bro,
Holy
this is...
fuck, that's huge.
I'm finding some jelly monsters over here, bro. They keep
Yeah,
dividing.
That's huge. 100 bangers. Keep up the great work, man. A really appreciated streamer. Hey, I appreciate it, brother.
Well, that hurts a lot.
Yeah, so leave the. If you guys see,
I'm gonna grab all 3 of these.
Yeah, just leave that shit up for Summit because he can grab all of that stuff.
I'm gonna get all these right now, these triples.
That crit mask is actually juicy as fuck for you, and there's 2 in there.
Yeah, 2 crit mass, dude. It's actually insane. Popping it? Is that... It's just... Wait, how do I do it?
Just buy
Just
one.
2 or 3. It's like you buy it, it just doesn't close. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
doesn't close.
Well, see, I don't know if it's popped, though. Ooh. Oh, man. There's shit everywhere. Oh, man. I'm not gonna be greedy for the items. I can't grab it right now.
Yeah, just keep moving. You can always come back to it.
Dude, they camp with the items. The fucking rats.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Need to get you 1 crit stick at least, so you get the procs off that.
Yeah, I know. That's gonna be huge. Just 1 crit. What does the crit thing look like again? I actually forgot.
Glasses. The
Oh,
sunglasses.
the
or whatever.
glasses. Kind of would be an insane level with that coal.
That's so good. Just this is one of the better ones to loot, so might as well go it all.
Yeah, if you save up your money, there's a legendary chest here that you can get on this level. I see
Reduce
where it's
damage the first time you're hit.
There's another 3 stack to the right down there.
This guy's gonna give us good
Some.
money here. Okay.
Hit the boss.
I was
at.
about to
It's
call you
down here,
Charles,
don't hit
dude.
it yet.
Where is it?
Right behind you now.
Oh, right
Yeah,
there. I
there it
see
is.
it.
The boss is down here where I marked.
Actually, juice, dude. That's all good.
That's actually really good. Dealing damage heals, more sustain. I'll take it.
I looted all the stuff back there, Judd.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to fight the boss.
Okay.
Look, I'm spawning him.
All right. Fuck it.
Shit. I don't even know what that is. What is that thing?
I'm unsure. What's the it's like the harpoon looking thing, right? What's that do, mate?
Harpoon. I think that's the one that gives you movement speed whenever stuff dies.
Oh,
you get, like,
yeah,
these little
yeah.
bursts of movement.
That ain't that
We haven't
exciting.
gotten goggles yet. There should be something over. Dude, there's so much stuff all over.
Absolutely melted.
Damn, you guys shit on it. Holy crap.
Ooh, what do we got? Guillotine. Pretty good. Grabbed one.
Grabbed one.
Judd, what are you? Who's flying around? Oh, you're that guy.
I'm gonna take Coil's item. Is there anyone else? Are we good on that? Or are you out of meat? Is it good for you or something?
I'm
Maybe?
good. I'm good. But there's a chest over here before we dip. But I want to loot if I have enough money.
That golden chest are you talking about or whatever?
Yeah, it depends on how much money I have. I don't know.
How much is it?
I don't know. I gotta go check.
I think it's
I don't
like
wanna get out of circle
226 or up to 4, depending on how far through we are. Some shit.
Yeah, I've seen it be like, you know.
I just
20,
seen you
30K.
just destroy that big dude in one hit. That was crazy.
Yeah, Rug Gunner's nuts with the crowbars.
Oh man.
I'm gonna run up to it. Let's see how much it is.
There's just so many machines and shit over here we should be able to grab.
3,400.
Wait, let me grab this over here. I got a lot of money.
Yeah, do your thing, do your thing. Loot around fast. Loot around as fast as you can. There should be a lot of stuff to loot. There's a triple banger over here, Judd. Don't touch that. Don't touch
I don't
that.
have enough.
That's what I was
40, you
talking
need
about.
43.50.
I can literally grab all three of them for us. I'll grab whatever one you want for you, Judd. Take one of them. Which one you want?
Does somebody have 4,350 though?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
Judd,
okay.
you need to come get this then. You have to come
Okay.
get this.
Okay, you got leech seed. I'll take the rest then.
No, I got 3,900.
Oh, that's unfortunate. You should have not spent that money.
I didn't spend it.
It's all good.
Well, I thought you said you had 43.50.
I thought I did. I just looked up.
Okay. Well, that is a red item that is usually really good, but hey, no big deal. We'll get more. I'm gonna go hit it.
Oh, $1,000 machine here, dude. I would have grabbed that guy. Shit. It's unfortunate.
We good?
No?
Oh, okay.
Almost. Very close to almost.
Yo, someone's gonna be juiced, dude.
Alright, go.
Just
Go,
need
go.
some crit.
All right, I'm running back to it and hit it.
I should have a lot of items.
It's hot as soon as you get in, boys.
That's good kills at the beginning. Oh, the big boys. And the crown's flying in the sky, dude. Oh, buddy. It's about to get big time. Big time.
Yeah, this is kind of a little beefy fight right
Can't
off
get
the
hit by
rip.
one of those. You die.
I'm just glad you boys were there to see it. Otherwise, I probably would have died. That's weird. All 3 of those are closed for me.
Yeah, me
on that
too.
one.
There's only one open, which is the feather. I don't need another feather. I have 2.
I think you can open all 3 still. I think it's just bugged.
It was all trash except for what I got. Don't worry about it.
No matter. I found the boss.
The boss or just the next level?
I'm going hard. I found a boss and a thing next to it to spawn more dudes, so I'm doing that. Some sort of like triangle thing. Bro, it takes the bleed off of it. Kill the ads, man. Those crown guys, the big castle. Look at them. I don't even know what the fuck those will kill us.
Uh-oh, we're really gonna have to do the boss.
Yeah, you really gonna have to. I barely got any loot too. That's so.
Uh-oh, that's a problem.
I'm heading over towards you now. If you need, you just run, bro.
Alright, so I have everything under control still.
I bet.
It's just getting kind of scary. Probably takes so long to kill, though. I don't know if we can do damage to him while he's in there. Something else we have to kill around it or something, maybe, huh? Maybe that? Yeah, there it is.
I need some movement speed, yo.
We have to find the little thing. I found it.
So when we do this boss, we gotta do a repeat, right? So we're gonna close the outside or whatever. And then go through. Unless we want to go to the end boss already.
This is a mini boss?
It's a little guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I'm coming, bro. Just
He actually
looting
has, he actually has fucking stacks of bleed. No, it's off again. Shit.
Yeah, you need more tri-tips. Only have the 2-stack.
Yeah, I need more attack speed and tri-tips, yeah.
You got good damage once the mobs actually die. You have like hella shit that blows up.
Wait, how do you get rid of the bull on the outside? Oh, there he is.
There's little red ones that are mini-me's of him, or that'll shoot around. You shoot them.
Okay, that did something.
Oh, big boy. Big boy, big boy, big boy. I froze him. Yo, the guys in the sky are really gonna fuck you though. Just be careful of the guys in the sky.
Nasty.
I mean, I have 8 grand. Oh, wait, what? That was crazy.
No, you didn't die?
No, I'm good.
He's good.
There's a triple stack over here on me, by the way. You can loot, or maybe you got it? Never mind,
Oh
you got
my
it.
god, I have the fucking craziest group of people on me right now. It's insane.
Yeah, those guys are nuts. They teleport to you. Oh, there's a healing one? Oh, good shit.
Oh, we gotta kill the healing one
Yeah,
there
that's
first, I
the one.
imagine.
Yep. Bruh.
Oh, brother!
Shadow stepping!
Bro, we gotta get out of there. I'm getting out of there.
Yeah, that's a run for sure. That's a slide the fuck out. Yeah, exactly. Oh, and then into Charmanders and Bells?
Yeah, I got one of the blue bells out of there.
Okay.
Let's just try to do the boss before we get overwhelmed, brother man.
Think so? Okay.
Yeah, there's a beeline it over there, and then if you guys just stay near each other, you'll both be kind of stacking your, both of your debuffs. Kill shit
Ow.
monster. Oh, 2 leeches, not bad. Oh, bro, you're in the shit though. Oh.
I'm going to hit boss. Fuck it. How much worse can it be?
Alright.
I mean, a little worse, but... Okay, someone changed the destination already. Nice.
The amount of money I have is stupid right now.
Oh, it's a big version of this. What's
I'm just gonna try to stack my bleed on him forever. I'm not gonna stop shooting him. Just try to stack. One's pretty low already.
Yeah.
I think they're both halfway. I'll focus on yours, dude.
15 stacks on mine, 19. Shit, I'm gonna drop stacks. Yeah, I did. He's pretty low though. What? We have to kill the little things.
Oh, you got blobs coming.
Oh my god, dude, there's so much shit in there, bro.
Yeah, just blow them all up together though. They're gonna stack and it's gonna hurt them.
Okay, I died. I got absolutely pounded across the map then, dude.
So you live on in our hearts.
If you kill this, you're gonna get so much loot off these bosses, bro.
Yeah, just think about the loot, dude. Stick and move, collect the loot.
Wait, where are you? You guys are both dead? Oh
No,
shit.
it's fine.
And dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Got no summit? Barely.
Where the fuck's the other boss gone, dude?
Oh no! Oh, what was that?
Aaron,
What the fuck?
triple grip
What
Aaron.
did I just witness?
Dude, good luck. What the fuck?
Not looking good, boys.
Dude, this run is on crack.
I ain't never seen that shit before, bro.
Bro, that is actually insane. Don't let those red circles suck you up.
I gotta just keep stacks on this guy of blood. Oh, hi. Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
who had the stacks?
Well. Well,
Actually, better with this angle, right?
yeah, what the fuck? That was actually helped you. This isn't the boss, by the way. That's the boss. Yeah,
I have
dude.
no idea.
What do I do there, man?
That was actually insane, dude.
Warm up round, you know? Hey. There it is. Yo, Judski.
Yo,
Hello.
yo, I actually feel like shit. I got a migraine, so I'm gonna hop off.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
dude.
Shit,
Give
man.
me some Wawas.
Yeah.
All right, I got one more good run in me, brothers. Let's do this.
All right.
All right, chat. I'm gonna hop off. I feel like crap. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll stream in tomorrow morning. Get y'all in the next one.
Alright,
Appreciate all
He's
the love
gonna go
support.
potted
Black
plan
Cat
on.
Raven, 100
Okay.
bangers. Thank you again for that. Thank you for that, brother. Too kind of you.
Oh, or the turret
See you guys in the
beast.
next one.